Hey there! Have you ever thought about using orange peel for your skin? It may seem strange, but orange peel actually has a number of benefits for your skin and can be used in a variety of ways. In this video, we'll be discussing the top uses of orange peel for skin and how you can incorporate it into your skincare routine. Orange peel contains a high amount of vitamin C, which can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. It can also help to reduce the appearance of acne, blackheads, and other blemishes. One way to use orange peel for your skin is by making an exfoliating scrub. Simply mix equal parts of ground-up orange peel and honey and use it to gently scrub your face in circular motions. Rinse with warm water and follow with your regular skincare routine. Another way to use orange peel is by making a face mask. Orange peel can also be used to soothe and reduce inflammation on the skin. In addition to these uses, orange peel can also be used to make a natural toner. Simply soak orange peels in water overnight and then strain the water and use it as a toner after cleansing your face. Top 5 benefits of orange peel for skins are: brightens and evens out skin tone. The high vitamin C content in orange peel can help to brighten and even out the skin tone. Reduces the appearance of acne, blackheads, and other blemishes. Soothes and reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of orange peel can help to soothe and reduce redness and irritation on the skin. Acts as a natural toner. Makes a gentle exfoliator. Mixing ground-up orange peel with a little honey creates a gentle exfoliating scrub that can help to remove dead skin cells and leave the skin looking brighter and smoother. As you can see, orange peel has a number of benefits for your skin and can be used in a variety of ways. Give these hacks a try and see for yourself the benefits of using orange peel for your skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching.